Can I help you find something? Can I help you find something? What can I get for you today? What can I get for you today? Is this your first time shopping here? Is this your first time shopping here? Would you like a bag? Would you like a bag? Do you need any assistance with that? Do you need any assistance with that? How many would you like? How many would you like? Would you like to buy that in bulk? Would you like to buy that in bulk? Is there anything else I can help you with? Is there anything else I can help you with? Do you have a store loyalty card? Do you have a store loyalty card? Can I take that to the register for you? Can I take that to the register for you?